What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And in this video I'm going to review a perfume from the house of AHMED Al Maghribi, and the name of the perfume is AAYAH. And as you all know, I have stopped reviewing AHMED Al Maghribi, and this might be a bit surprising for you. But let me tell you the reason behind this review. I was cleaning and rearranging my cabinets, and then I found this one in a corner. And I was like, man, I paid my hard-earned money to buy this fragrance. So let's try to recover some bucks back, So that's the only reason I am reviewing this perfume, because it's bought from my own money. All AHMED Al Maghribi I have in my collection is bought with my own money, but I can guarantee you on one thing, that my review will be 100% honest and it will not be biased in any way. So let's start a review. So we will start with the presentation first, as always, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful luxury box. There was a dark brown colored sleeve on it, a paper box on it, which I have lost because I bought this perfume I think more than a year ago. If you check my channel, I have made like 4 to 5 vlogs in the store of AHMED Al Maghribi. I bought this perfume on the same day after my video. I purchased this perfume, and after that I just kept it in a corner, So I lost that box. But this is the main box, the luxury box. So this box is covered with this luxury velvet. You can see this beautiful golden printing here and this metallic plate with the name AAYAH. You can see a whole design here, and you can see the sides, you can see the back. All the ingredient details were on that sleeve, which I lost, unfortunately, the logo of AHMED Al Maghribi in the bottom here. And this is the luxury box, and once you are going to open it, you will find this beautiful bottle here. And then here is the name of the perfume printed once again in Arabic, in gold. And it's AAYAH Likulli Yom, for every day. The meaning of this Arabic phrase, Likulli Yom, every day. So let me show you the bottle now. So there is a beautiful cutout in this nice form. Finishing, everything is really great. The box looks really very nice. And here you go. This is the bottle of AAYAH. You can see the shape of the bottle from the bottom, from the top. You can see this metallic plate, a beautiful metallic plate with the name of AAYAH printed on it. The cap here is made of plastic. It's not metal, but the finishing is really nice. Have a look on it. You can see the design and the finishing. It's really nice looking bottle, and the smell is really great. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. I cannot find any official notes breakdown of this perfume on the website of AHMED Al Maghribi, so I will just try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this is a pure Middle Eastern concoction. If you like that complex Middle Eastern type of fragrances, then this is something great for you. The main 3 pillars of this perfume are rose, oud and sandalwood. It opens with a hefty dose of clean oud. Don't expect that animalic barnyardish oud here. The oud is present here, it's very strong, but it's the clean version of oud. You will get only that sweetness and woodiness of oud here. It's yes, a little bit dark, but it's clean, it's not fecal, it's not off-putting. Then you will get that beautiful rose here and a lot of creamy sandalwood. And the sandalwood here is, I can say, the star of the show, because the sandalwood which comes in the dry down of this perfume is really amazing. It's so creamy, so warm and so smooth. So this is the main structure of this perfume. And then I can also smell some nice musk in the composition. And then definitely there are some touch of florals here and there, but the main structure is as I have explained it to you. And then the more it moves towards the dry down, the more it becomes sandalwood based fragrance, and sandalwood start to shine more and more, and it starts to become more and more prominent towards the second phase and then towards the dry down. And then finally you will left with that sweet creamy sandalwood with the back of rose somehow. So this was about the whole journey of this fragrance. Overall, it smells really nice. Blending is very nice. It's very smooth, very rounded. It's not sharp. It's not going to give you any cheap kind of feel here. The quality, the blending, the ingredients they have used here is really, really, really nice. I'm really like this scent a lot. You will also get some leather here, that suede kind of leather in the composition, which is mixed with oud somehow. And so if you like leather, woody kind of scents with some sweet rose and some creamy woody sandalwood, then this is really something magical. So this was about the fragrance of AHMED. And now let's talk about the inspiration behind this perfume. So let me tell you that I don't think this perfume is inspired by any other fragrance, because this is a pure traditional Middle Eastern Arabic kind of scent, and I have never smelled anything exactly similar here. Yes, it may remind you some of rose oud based fragrances here and there, but the touch of sandalwood and leather here is what makes it unique and different from all those oud rose based fragrances. So for me, this is really a banger. And now let's talk about some other aspects of this perfume. If you talk about the performance, AHMED Al Maghribi is always famous for great performing fragrances. So the same thing goes here. Lasting and performance is really amazing. This is a beast kind of scent. The projection is very strong in the first 1.5 to 2 hours. After that, it becomes a little bit softer in a sense of projection. It's always there. It's strong. Once you're going to interact with people, they will definitely be able to smell you. Sillage is good. Once you are moving from one place to another, if you're moving in a corridor, and if like wind or air is hitting you, then the people around you will be able to smell it. But the self-projection is not more than 1.5 to 2 hours, because the concentration of this perfume is very high. This is 43% concentrated perfume. So there is a lot of oil here, which makes it very dense, heavy, and very long lasting. But because there is a lot of oil here, so the projection is not for like 3 to 4 hours, but that doesn't mean it's not projecting at all. This is a beast kind of scent, and especially when it comes to sillage and when it's come to interact with people, it's rocking. So performance 10 on 10, no issue at all. And now let's talk about the gender. So for me, it's a unisex scent which leans more towards the masculine side. And if you talk about the age group, you should be a little bit mature. If you're around the age of like 22 plus, you can rock it easily. If you talk about the season or weather, definitely a scent which you will appreciate in cold weather. But if you are living in Middle Eastern countries, they are used to with oud and these kind of heavy perfumes, then it's absolutely fine with you. You can wear this perfume indoors, in the malls, in air-conditioned environment. It will not be a big deal. But if it's very hot outside, the humidity is like 80-85% like it was today. So in that case, I will say use it in cold weather, in winters. And now let's talk about the main issue, the pricing. So you will get this perfume in 50 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation. And the price of this perfume is 175 UAE dirhams for this 50 ml juice. And that's the price what I paid at that time, but they gave me some kind of discount. It was like, I think 20% discount. So I paid, I think around 150 or something. I don't remember the exact amount now. But nowadays there is an offer going on the website of AHMED Al Maghribi, and they are giving away this perfume for 140 UAE dirhams. So if you are someone who appreciate these kind of scent, if you love oud, rose, sandalwood, if you like these kind of Middle Eastern Arabic type of scent, if you want to smell rich, you want to smell a little bit unique, and if you want to smell bold, you know, and strong, then you must try AHMED. This is something for you. So this was my review about AHMED Al Maghribi's AHMED. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.